Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel S.G.M Creations Tutorials. And if you like this video, please like, give a comment and share so that I can improve my project. This is a fashion earrings. Look at this. This is a 3-layered or a 4-layer earrings. Look at this. This is silver, gold, green, and fuchsia, and on the top is purple. Look at this. This is made of golden wire. Look at this, golden jewelry wire. So if you want to learn how I created this one, so just click my playlist BEADWORKS tutorials and you can see my video tutorials on how I created this 4 layers fashion earrings. You can use this one for any occasion and you can match this one with any outfit because this is a multicolored accessories. Look at this. So it's just like a belt type. Look. This is just very simple and easy to create a fashion accessories. So you must learn the basic techniques on how to create a simple earrings. This is made of beads with a jewelry wire. This is a 4-layer wire and a hook here. So in order to see the full video tutorials, just check my playlist BEADWORKS tutorials, okay? And I have a lot of video posted in the past about beadworks tutorial or jewelry making, so you can find out all the video tutorials that you want to learn, from recycled materials to original materials. So thank you for watching and supporting to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials, and I have also videos about my travel blog exploring Germany and Switzerland and other countries here in Europe. And you can find out also my cooking time. I am cooking different menu for Asian food, European food, and please check my playlist for my cooking time. Check my playlist S.G.M cooking time or S.G.M lifestyle, so you can find the foods that I have cooked and posted, the way how I cook, how I prepare. So you can check this playlist S.G.M cooking time. Okay guys, this is all for today and I hope you like this project. Okay, this is a lady's earring, multi-layered, 4 layers. Look at this, and 5 beads. So if you love a multicolored accessories, so try to create this type of earrings. Okay guys, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in order to improve my project, and share this video, and of course please Subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Please like, comment, and share this video. Greetings from SGM. Bye bye.